If you're looking for a 4K dashcam, in today's video we're gonna test this LINGDU LD02 dashcam. This is a dual camera dashcam, 4K for the front and 2K for the rear camera. Okay, today we're gonna see how good it is, we're gonna unbox it, we're gonna test it, and we're gonna see how to download the videos, and also we're gonna check the resolution for the day and night in today's video coming up next. Okay, this is what it comes inside of the box. The brand is LINGDU. The model is the LD02. Okay, this is a dual channel dashcam. It has a front and rear camera. This is the front camera. It looks pretty nice with the screen, 3 inches screen on the back. The buttons for the menus are on the side. It's including with a micro SD card is included. The mount for the window with a double-sided tape. Okay, and it comes with an extra mount with an extra double-sided tape just in case. Power cable, USB-C to USB-A, and the cigarette lighter connection with the USB-A on the top, and the rear camera, that's nice, with the extension cable. The manual, stickers to place the camera on the window, trim tool, and some extra clips to place the cable, to hide the cables. Okay, so this is everything that comes inside of the box. Okay, the rear camera is done. You can see it here. I ran the cable in under this plastic, and from here to here, but in this area was a little bit hard because this one has a bracket in here, so it doesn't let the cable go straight. So I ran it from that area to this hole, and then from this hole to this hole, and then from this hole to this one, and then inside this rubber hose inside here, and then all the way to the front. So it was hard, but it's done. Now that it's installed, let's see how the buttons work, and let's see the settings. Okay, but in this side has the memory card slot that is included with the camera. 3 buttons in here and 4 buttons in this side. Okay, so let's start with the first button in here to switch the screen. You can switch it like that, the rear camera, both front and the rear on the small picture-in-picture. So that's the first button on the left side. Let's see the second button. Oh, that's for the menu, but we will go to that one in a little bit. Okay, second button is for the menu. The third one, let's see, for the voice, you can turn on and off the microphone. Okay, the first button is to take a picture, a screenshot. So the second one, to see the files. Okay, the camera files, the front and the rear, and this one is not touch screen. Okay, for the front and rear videos, the lock videos, and the photos for the front and the rear. That's for the second button. Let's see the third button, to lock the video. Okay. And then the last button on the right side, to turn off the screen, but the camera is still recording. Okay, even if you turn off the screen. Okay, now let's see the menu. Is the button in the middle on the left side. It's gonna stop recording. And the first one is the video resolution. You can change it to is 4K for the front and 2K for the rear, or you can put it 2K for front and rear. The next one is loop video clip time. I have it in 1 minute, but you can change it to 3 or 5 minutes. I always wanted to leave it in 1 because the file is smaller and easier to download. Let's go to the next one. Audio recording is on, that's okay. The format for the video, I'm gonna leave it like that. I'm not gonna move it. The G sensor sensitivity, I have it in low, but you can change it to low, middle, and high. I always like to leave it in low. Time-lapse parking mode, but if you want to use the parking mode, you have to have a hardwiring kit. Now it's off. Time-lapse parking mode, 24 hours, that's fine. Collision detection parking mode is off, so I'm gonna leave it off. Exposure is 0, I'll leave it like that. Screen save, okay, on this one, you can leave it off, or you can leave it in 1 minute, 3 minutes, or 5 minutes. This one is to turn off the screen automatically. As soon as you turn on the car, it will go to 1 minute and then turn off the screen. For now, I'm gonna leave it off. The next one is the key tone. You can turn on and off the beep. The volume for the beep, you can put it up to 40. I'm gonna leave it in 10%. That's okay. The Wi-Fi is 5 Hz and you can change it to 2.4 Hz. I'm gonna leave it in 5 because that one, it will download the video super fast. Okay, let's leave it in that. The next one, voice control is on. Yeah, I'm gonna leave it on. Voice command, all those commands you can use them. And then the next one, language is English. Video stamp is on. Yeah, let's leave it on. Frequency 60 Hz. Rear mirror is on for the rear camera. The GPS status, okay, right there. And then a speed unit is miles per hour. Time zone is this one, -06. That's the one in here. Date and time, you can change it there if you want to change the date and the time. Time scale 12 hours. And then the date format is month, date, and year. Format the SD card, you can format there, but I don't want to do that right now. SD card information, let's see how much space I have on the SD card. And then you can go to the default settings, but I don't want to do that right now. Manual QR code, you can open this one, and that QR code, it will help you see the manual for the camera. And then the firmware, and that's the firmware for the camera. And that's it for the camera menu. Okay, now let's see how to connect the app and how to download the videos to your phone. So you have to download this app, LINGDU. That is the brand of the camera. Let's see, let's open it. Like to use your Bluetooth only while using app. Okay, so okay, let's see. Okay, let's go to the Wi-Fi. And okay, so here's the LINGDU L2. That's the camera. Let's join. Connect. The password should be the same as all the cameras. And let's click join. See, I think it's connecting. Yes. Okay, let's check it out. Let's open it again. Open the app. Connect to the. All right, we got it. Okay, let's see how to use the app. We can go here to the. We have to stop the recording. Stop recording, and then go to the albums. Right here we have the locked videos, then the normal, all the videos, and then on the photo you have all the photos, the screenshots that I took with the camera. Let's see how to download. So we have this one, and then here on the bottom it has this one, and you can download there. Oh, it's fast. Yeah, I don't want to download it right now, but just by clicking that one you will download the video. In this one you can turn on and off the microphone, same thing as the other one. Switch mode, you can switch from camera, right here, front and rear. Front, it takes time. Video resolution, okay, let's see it. Okay, you can switch here from 5K, 4K, and 2K for the front camera, but for now I'm gonna leave it like that. And now let's go to the settings. So these settings are the same that we already saw on the camera, but let's go quick on all the settings. The front one is the video resolution. We already lefted the front one from 4K and the rear one 2K. Loop recording 1 minute. The audio you can turn on and off there. The video encoding H.264, we're gonna leave it like that. The G sensor in low, okay. Parking time, okay. For that we will need a hard wiring kit, okay. Time lapse recording 24 hours. Parking mode, this is the parking mode. You can turn it on and off right here. Exposure, I'm gonna leave it in 0. Screensaver off for now, but you can, if you don't want the screen to be on all the time, you can turn it off right there or put it in 1 minute. So after 1 minute that you are driving, it will turn off automatically. And then the voice control, you can turn it on and off. Language, English, date and time, watermark, 60 hertz, miles per hour, time zone, 12-hour format. The date time format is 12 month, day, and year. That's the way we do it here in the United States, so I'm gonna leave it like that. Okay, but you can change it there if you want. And then SD card, the space, the Wi-Fi, you can change the Wi-Fi if you want. Format SD card, no. But I don't want to do it now, but if you want to do it, you can do it here. You can change the default settings in here, and the app version is this app, okay? So everything, the firmware, right there, you can update it, okay? So everything is the same thing. So now let's check the videos, let's see the resolution, and let's see how they look on the day and the night for the night view. Let's do that next. Okay, now let's see the videos. This is the day view for the front camera. This is the 4K resolution. Today is raining. Okay, so it's gonna have a little bit of water, but it's still, as you can see, it's still good. You can read the license plate. Everything looks clean and clear, with a little bit of water, of course, but everything is visible. The resolution is very good. It's great for the front camera. Amazing, I like it. And now this is the day view for the rear camera. The rear camera is at 2K resolution. It has a little bit of water, sorry, but it still looks good. You can see the cars pretty clear because it's a 2K resolution. You can see the license plates of the car when it gets closer. When it's far away, it's a little bit hard to see it, but when the car gets closer, you can see the license plate. All right, and now it's time to see the night view for the front camera. This is a 4K resolution, and this looks amazing. Look at the clouds. You can even see the clouds. You can see the clouds. You can see the cars, the license plates, everything. It has a night vision. So the night vision for this one is amazing. Super clear. It looks like it's the day, but it's at night. And it looks amazing. I like it. Alright, and now this is the night view for the rear camera. The rear camera is a 2K resolution and it still looks very good. This one has a night vision too. And as you can see the license plate. Even with the glare of the headlights of the car, you can see the license plates, the car, even the model of the car. You can see what car it is. You can see the license plates, all the cars around. You can see them. So it is great for the rear camera. And now that you already saw the videos, they look good. The quality is very good. 4K for the front is amazing, and 2K for the rear is good. And also that the rear has night vision is a great thing, because some cameras, they don't have night vision for the rear camera. This one it does, and that's good because it helps a lot at night. Okay, so now you can decide if you want to get this camera after you saw all the videos. It's great, I recommend it. 4K, 2K for 4K for the front, 2K for the rear is great, and the price is very good too for a 4K camera. Okay, the link for this product is gonna be on the description of the video down below. If you like the video, please like the video, that helps the channel a lot. Our goal is to reach 100,000 subscribers. We're gonna go there little by little in God's will. But thank you for watching. Subscribe for more videos like this one, and see you on the next video. Thanks. Bye.